In the world of business and supply chains, you will often hear the term downstream. Let's look at what that actually means for companies. Downstream refers to the later stages of a production process, moving from the raw material source all the way to the final customer. Think of it as the flow of a river. The closer you get to the ocean or the end user, the further downstream you are. These are the functions that put the finished product into the hands of the people who will actually use or consume it. Upstream focuses on the beginning of the chain like raw materials, while downstream focuses on the finish line and the end consumer. Companies often specialize in one area, but understanding the entire chain helps investors see where value is created and how profits are distributed. Tracking this flow helps you understand how a company makes money and who they rely on to keep their business running smoothly. Understanding these supply chain terms gives you a better view of how global markets work. Thanks for watching and stay curious.